Confidence hack number 33, perfectly flawed and the wisest man to ever live. The confidence boost today comes from knowing that everyone is flawed. Everyone. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players and CEOs and high performers of all types how to hack their confidence. If you want the same information that I give to them and want a daily confidence boost directly in your inbox, go to my website, davidnurse.com, where you can sign up for free so that you can start your day off on the right, confident foot. Let's approach this logically here. The Bible is the best-selling book of all time, by far. That's facts. If we analyze the people in the Bible, and yes, there is actual evidence they did exist, a lot of evidence, apart from Jesus, every single one of the characters in the Bible, arguably some of the most influential people in the history of the world, were flawed, very flawed. King David, for example, who was referred to as a man after God's own heart. He cheated on his wife and even had the husband killed of the woman he cheated with. Yeah. Solomon was referred to as the wisest man to ever live and the richest man to ever live. He had 700 wives and 300 concubines. Yes, all his writings of unfulfillment through riches, they're in there. Moses, God's chosen direct line of communication, he had God speaking literally in his ear, direct line of communication, yet he didn't follow his advice multiple times. Peter, one of the 12 disciples of Jesus, literally one of the main people to carry the word of Jesus as a savior on and on after Jesus' death. He denied Jesus 3 times on the spot, right after Jesus had told him he would do exactly the same thing. The list goes on and on. The point being, everyone is flawed. Everyone. The person at your office who you think has it all together, the celebrity you wish you could be, the neighbor whose family seems picturesquely perfect. Nope, they're flawed, very flawed. So you can gather confidence today, knowing that everyone you interact with is flawed. You are, they are, I am, and that is totally okay. Now, my wife and I, we just got back from Maui. We start our every year off in Maui. It's just such a refreshing, recharging way to start the year. But what I've been using, meat that I have been eating for the past 6 months and been absolutely obsessed with, comes from Maui. Maui Nui venison. They have delicious ground meat, organ blends, a variety of steak cuts, rib chops, jerky. It's very lean too, and I'm big on staying in the best shape I can possibly be in. And sometimes the beef will have a lot of fat in it, but Maui Nui venison, extremely lean, healthy, all just amazingly raised in Maui access deer. So what they're doing it too is giving my listeners, you all, a great deal to go try it out. And the code is NURSE for 20% off. Go to Maui Nui, N-U-I, venison.com. Check it out. There's great meat in there. You'll get addicted like I have. And it's also a great gift to get people too. So check it out, MauiNuiVenison.com, 20% off with the code NURSE. And if you get it, let me know. Love to hear about your experience.